Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome in if you're new. Today we're going to be testing out this Born Pretty nail debonder. It is a pot type that you just dip your finger in. It has like the sponge on the inside, which I'll show you. I'm just giving you a look at the outside of the packaging. It also comes with this stick, which is surprisingly really helpful, and it worked much better than a wood stick. So this is what the inside looks like, and I absolutely love this. I've used it once before, but I didn't film it. So what you're going to want to do is just loosen the edge near the cuticle of your nail so that the product can slip in and start to break up the nail glue. So I'm just dipping it in, and it really doesn't take that long at all. I would say each finger takes maybe a minute tops, depending on what glue you use. If you shop for this, it does show you like certain glues that they recommend it for, and I am using a glue that is not recommended. Not that it's not recommended, but it's the Una Gela semi-solid glue, and it's working really well. I also had on Young Nails Protein Bond, so these nails didn't want to go anywhere, and as you can see, it comes off clean on the nail. I do still have some glue stuck to my fingertip, so I'm just gonna have to file that off, but I am so happy with this. It's such a time saver, so I don't have to do so much filing. This type of filing just literally takes me 2 seconds while I'm doing my nail prep anyway, so I'm just gonna do the same thing on all the nails. And like I said, I definitely recommend this. You can get this on Amazon, but you can also get it on the Born Pretty website, and I think I would get it from the Born Pretty website. They do sell it in like duos with the glues that work well with this, and I do have both of those glues, so I'm going to try that on my next set and test this out again. But I would definitely recommend this to you guys. It's super fast removal. It smells really nice, so you don't have to deal with the smell of acetone. It doesn't dry out your skin literally at all. As you could see, my skin looks completely normal. The inside of this jar right here, it's full of liquid. It's really nice. It's not like dry. There's tons of liquid in there. I could see this lasting a very good long time, and it does say on the bottle that it has a 3-year shelf life, which is really nice. So yeah, we're just gonna keep doing the same thing. I just wanted to show you how easy this really is. I didn't edit like anything out of this, and I'm not speeding it up. It's really fast. I just like paused the camera right there, but literally I have my finger in the jar for 5 seconds each time. You might have to repeat the steps, but literally it takes like a minute per finger. And like I said, I can't wait to try out the proper glue with this and see if it doesn't leave any residue on the nail at all, and I have a feeling that it definitely doesn't leave residue. And this plastic stick thing is so much better than wooden orange sticks, or whatever they're called, the wooden sticks that everybody knows and has. It just, I don't know, it works so good at pushing up the nail a tiny bit gently. Like, I didn't cause any damage to my nails at all with this. Like when I would be using press-on nail glue remover with press-on glue, I completely destroyed my nails for a really long time there. If you can see on a couple of these, I do have bruise lines. That is from previous trauma that I caused myself doing just doing not a good job and doing things that you're not supposed to do, like biting your nails off. So, but I'm also like prone to those lines. I don't know. I just don't recommend ripping off your nails. I'm getting better for sure. My other hand, as you'll see, looks much better. They're growing out. I just like trim it, and eventually it goes away, but don't worry, it's totally fine. My nails are not hurt at all, and I just want you to know it is not from this product. It is from me. But yeah, I definitely would recommend this to you guys for sure. I believe it's like $10. I'll link everything down below. And I hope you enjoy. I'm excited because like sometimes it just gets to be like a whole disaster. You know, you have so much cleanup, you have so much dust, your skin is all dry from like the acetone, and like, I don't know, it's just super annoying. Like, this is just such a time saver. I would definitely be repurchasing this for 100% sure. I honestly like this better than the Savvyland Pro Tip Removal Spray, which works really well. I'm going to show you guys that in a future video, but like I thought that thing was a miracle product, but this. But yeah, I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you have a good Easter, and please, like I said, like this video for me, maybe share it, something, I don't know. Let me know down below what you would like to see in the future. I know I don't do like super exciting designs lately. It's just, I don't know, it's a time constraint type of thing for me. Like that's why I use BTR box nails so often lately. It's just such a time saver.